Hey everyone, I have a really cool, quick mixture that you can make for your kids or to give away as a gift to somebody. So I got these cute little, I guess they're like two for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. I am going to be using this tote to mix it in, which I will show you in a minute, with a plastic bag in it, a clean plastic bag. I'm going to put M&Ms in it. I'm going to put cashews in it, honey barbecue corn chips, and Cheetos. So I'm just going to dump it in. I'm going to mix it up. Now you can, if you wanted to, get some white chocolate and pour it over it to do something with a little more sugar. But I'm just going to make this simple so that my kids don't eat too much sugar as we go on in these seasons. Okay, here is the tote. Here's my brand new plastic bag. Because it takes a lot, probably should have used, I don't know if you can see it. I'll probably have to turn it around over here. And you can see that I'm just going to pour them in there. I've got that big bag of Chex Mix. I'm going to cut the top of it off and just pour it right in. In there. I'm going to pour the cashews in there. Ooh, these are so good. These are from Kirkland. I'll save a few for me. Good. Yum, yum. I have to eat a couple. Okay. Honey barbecue chips. Just pour it in. Crunchy Cheetos. Yum. Now you can put in as many M&Ms as you want. I have a smaller bag. I'm just going to pour these in. I'm going to have to maybe get some more M&Ms, but this is quite a big package, so it's all going in too. And it's just something quick and easy. It makes for a nice little gift to somebody. I am going to mix it, as you can see, there it is. And I am just going to mix it all in with my clean hands, because I did wash my hands. And then I'm going to put them in these little, cute little cups that I got from Dollar Tree. But, oh my god, this is so good. My kids love it. It makes for a great, easy snack. It makes for wonderful gifts, guys. So here we go. I'm going to open up these and put some in there. And yum, maybe the postman, maybe the pool guy, maybe other people that service you. Makes a nice little quick gift. And it's healthy somewhat, except for the, and I'm just going to dump it in there like this. And there you can see it. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Yum, yum, yum. It's got all the good stuff in it. Okay, and then you just put the little lid on it. You can put a bow on it. And it's ready to go. Let's put this top on it real good. And it stays fresh for quite a long time. So there it is. You can put a bow or you can stick it in a basket. But voila, there you have your nice little mix to give away or to give to your kids. Hi everyone, I've got another quick and easy Christmas little candy dish. Just going to use some parchment paper over my little sheet here. I've got some Rolos and I have some pretzels. So all you're going to do is open up your Rolos and take the foil off. And we're going to preheat our oven. Preheat the oven to 350. And once we get the pretzels and Rolos together, we're going to put it in the oven about for 3 minutes until the Rolo melts. Now the other thing you can do is you can add M&Ms if you want to the top. So as you can see, I've got these type pretzels. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Let me turn the camera a little bit. Okay, there you go. And you're just going to put like a Rolo on top of a pretzel. It's pretty easy. And you can see the little indentation on the Rolo. Well, if you want to, you don't have to. You can put an M&M in the middle so that it will look like this. And we're just going to unwrap the Rolos, put them on the pretzel, add a little M&M. You don't have to add them. You can add a nut if you'd like to. And we're just going to do that to the whole pan. And it's just like a quick little treat that you could put in a candy box to give to a neighbor, somebody at a nursing home, family members, kids' teachers at school. And it's so good. Rolos are so good. We'll put that in the middle. Okay guys, they're ready to go in the oven. I did make a mistake, so don't put the M&M on first. My daughter sort of alerted me to that because it would melt. So you put the M&M on after it comes out of the oven. So I'll show you. This is what it looks like right now. It's going into the oven. And when it comes out of the oven, then you put the M&M on. Guys, they're out of the oven. I'm going to put the little M&M on top so it melts a little bit. As you can see, they really are hot and they're melting and the pan's hot. But you could just put an M&M right on top. And I don't have a lot more M&Ms, but I'm going to show you. You can either do M&Ms or you can do nuts, but I don't have any nuts either. So we're just going to do a few of these. And a few of them will be without, so they won't be a treat. But as you can see, here they are. And they're a little hot right now, but there they are. Okay, and there is the end product. It's quick and easy. It's great for parties. It doesn't have to just be for Christmas. It could be for birthdays, New Year's Eve parties, bridal showers, quick and easy. Cute for little kids' birthday parties, but there it is. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, the like button, notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.